Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S3. This tutorial would work with any Galaxy S3 model with any carrier. Please, at the end of this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to support the channel. And let's start with the factory reset. You will need 3 buttons to do this, and the buttons are the volume up key, the home button, and you will need the power button as well. So you will need to hold all 3 buttons at the same time and keep holding. Once the phone powers on, you release the power key and keep holding. You keep holding until the recovery screen comes up, as you see. To navigate, you will need to use the down button, and you scroll down to wipe data factory reset. You scroll down all the way to yes, delete all user data, and you use the power key to confirm. This will take a few seconds to go through, and once that is done, you will need to do one more step and your phone will be resetted. So you scroll down to wipe cache partition, you press the power key one more time, and then once that is done, you reboot your system and your device. This is it, guys. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching.